Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide any photo album in Samsung smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone. So in order to hide any photo album in your Samsung smartphone, what you need to do is just open the gallery application, which comes preloaded with every Samsung smartphone running Samsung One UI operating system. Just open the gallery application, and now you will see our gallery application, right? So below you can see here there is one option written albums. Just tap on it, and now you will see our respective albums, that is a photo albums or the image albums, whatever you want to call. So I have a photo album with the name wallpaper, right? So I want to hide this photo album. So for this, what you need to do is, you can see on the right side there is a three dot icons. Just tap on it, and now you will see the last option, hide or unhide albums. So once you click on it, you can see an option to turn on. In order to hide this photo album, just turn on this option and just move back. Voila, now your photo album is being hidden. If you click on these pictures also, none of the pictures that are present under this photo album which you have hidden will not be shown here. So in order to unhide it again, just tap on the three dot icons by going to the album option and just click on this hide or unhide albums and just disable this option and move back. Voila, now your photo album is unhide again. So this is the way how to hide any photo album in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool option available on your Samsung smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.